What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the F30 to PetrolWerks. We're gonna get the downpipe in and a resonator delete. I had this appointment for like a week now, and I didn't say nothing. I didn't even post nothing on my Instagram. I've been slacking on posts. I've been slacking on everything. But today we're just gonna go drop this off. I don't know if I'm gonna sit there. I think I'm just gonna leave the car there and come back and pick it up. I'm down for whatever. It is what it is. It's really just resonator delete and downpipe install. But besides that, we're gonna drop this off. I also got an MHD Tune Super license over the weekend. I was planning on just flashing stage 1, but I figured I might as well wait until after I get the Catless Downpipe installed. We should get the car back either today or tomorrow morning. I'm probably gonna come pick it up tomorrow morning because I probably won't have time later on today to pick it up. Either way, I just can't wait to hear how it sounds when I get it back. It's been so quiet having this car, and I love this car. It's a very quiet car. It's sporty and it moves. I'm saying 300 horsepower. It's a decent amount, but I need a little bit more fucking speed, bro. Like it's like I'm like I have it, but I don't. Like I don't know how to explain it, but it's really quiet. I'm gonna get that taken care of today, and I just can't wait to see the results of the car because I have yet to have any of my cars really modded like that. Anyways, we're gonna take this all the way out to Lindenhurst. We got like another 30-minute drive. I think it's another 30-minute drive. Yup. All right, so yeah, we got another 30-minute drive, and I'll see you guys when we get there because this is just dragging. I'm about to just speed it up a little bit, maybe. Let me see what opportunity I got here. Oh, there's really no opportunity. It's just all straight cars. I mean, I can make it work. I can make it work. Kinda. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, Dick. And a slight little 105 one time, but I need to hear it though. I need to hear it. It's too quiet. It's too basic. You know, I'm trying to have people hear me in these streets. Like, what's the purpose of having a nice car if you can't hear it? But all right, let me get back to you guys when we get there. And this is the beautiful downpipe. This is what we're gonna be putting in. Catless downpipe. Straight through that bit. All right, so this is gonna be going in here. This is the Catless downpipe. I don't even know if this is the right size, but hopefully it is. But I'm gonna leave this in a box up front for them. I'm gonna take this and all my other accessories. All right, let me go inside and let me go holler at them and see what is good and see if we're coming to pick it up today. There's a lot of fire cars here, guys. I see like an FD. I think there's a GTR over there. There's a lot of toys over here. I'm not gonna lie to you. And then we got this dickhead. Can't even see him, but yo, you're ugly. Fire shake. Yo, you're ugly as shit. What are you drinking?
Peanut butter shake.
From where?
Top.
Oh yeah. Alright, the F30 is finally dropped off. I should be able to pick it up tomorrow. This dickhead's on the phone with somebody.
Information, you can refer to the minimum payment warning section of your statement.
He licks balls! Oh, shit.
Which one of the following would you like to change?
Alright, well, we out of here. This guy got me driving.
You can also say,
you hold it?
Cancel this payment, repeat, or go back.
I'm gonna go slide it.
Go back.
Your payment request has been canceled. Please tell me what you're calling about. You can say things like account balance, pay by phone.
Oh, imagine I clap. Why does your shit feel like you got a flat tire? Bye, baby.
Pay by phone.
Bro, that G80.
Are you an authorized signer on the
I need a G80 in my life.
Yes, I am.
Alright. Finally picked up the 335. I I had this in a while and I missed my baby. I'm not even gonna lie. I gotta fix this seat. Definitely turn that off. A little quiet. A little quiet. Nice little cold start for y'all. I already started it up already this morning. Yeah, she's pretty loud. She gets quieter. But yeah. Alright, in all honesty though, do your research before you buy your downpipe. I bought a 4-inch downpipe not realizing that I needed a 3.5-inch. So do your research, know about the pneumatic and electronic wastegates and all that beautiful stuff. Don't just go buy it. Shout out to VRSF and the amazing support team. They really came in clutch. I emailed them Friday night at 7 o'clock. They don't work on the weekends. Monday morning at 7 o'clock in the morning, I got an email helping me out with the exchange. Shout out to them. And by Tuesday morning, 10:30 in the morning, yeah, it was Monday morning that I initiated the exchange. Tuesday morning, 10:30, PetrolWerks already had the downpipe already. So shout out to them. They are the GOATs, honestly. If you ever need anything for VRSF, link in the bio. They got intercoolers, downpipes, Catless Downpipes, N55, N20, B58, B48, all the platforms, they got everything. Shout out to VRSF. If you ever need anything, just link in the bio. Also, shout out to PetrolWerks for coming in clutch. They held down their car because of my stupidity. And it sat there for a week longer than I should have. But shout out to them. They came in clutch. And yeah, so now we're just going to get a little bit of rolling shots of the car. I'm not really going to go too crazy on this because this video took like a week to make. And I need to start in the other videos because I got other things I need to add to the F30, which I honestly have a surprise for you guys. Can't wait to start adding more stuff to the F30. Thank you guys for watching the channel. And yeah, let me just get some rolling shots and like end up this video, bro, because this shit is taking forever. Yeah, she got a little pep in her step. Honestly, she's not even that like obnoxious, bro. Your kid is wildin', bro. Your kid is wildin'. Yeah, nah. I am a fried kid. Nah, she sounds beautiful, bro. Honestly. Oh, nah. Pedals, pedals, pedals.